So my name is Shahar Kovalsky. In Hebrew, you can call me Shahar. I'm with the Department of Mathematics. I work with Ingrid Dobshi. So my research is at the intersection of optimization and geometry and also machine learning. So I'm doing kind of a bunch of things. At the intersection of optimization and computer graphics, I deal with all kinds of questions related to shapes, mappings of shapes, characterization of shapes. So that has applications in animation, for example, but also in evolutionary biology, where we have a collaboration in which we study how shapes change and how that affects or how that infers on evolution. In a completely different line of work, I'm interested in machine learning and its applications to medicine. So one big project I'm working on is a collaboration with the School of Medicine, the Department of Head and Neck Surgery. We're looking into thyroid cancer. So I think we have a really interesting clinical question. So kind of it all boils down to the fact that among all the people that have thyroid cancer or suspicion of thyroid cancer, almost half of those that go to surgery end up with nothing. So basically, they just go through unnecessary surgery. And we're super interested in the question of whether we can use machine learning in order to actually reduce those unnecessary surgeries. So kind of we imagine that we have lots of digital representations of anatomical shapes, or for example, teeth or bones of different animals, different species from different times. It can be extant animals and it can be extinct animals for which we have samples of fossils. And now we look at the difference in shape, and from the difference in shape, which we study using tools from computer graphics, we try to understand things about evolution, try to understand which species are related, which are not, how things evolve over time, try to answer hypotheses about the way evolution works, and so on. Being in IID is really incredible for me. I really love it for two main reasons. First of all, I have everybody I need here in terms of research available. People that do mathematics, people that do machine learning, biologists some here. Everybody that I need in order to do my research and collaborate are here, which is really incredible. And the second reason, which is almost as important, or maybe more important, is that everybody is nice. Everybody smiles. Everybody is fun to work with. People are really interested in collaboration, and they make efforts to try to come up with good collaborations and productive collaborations, and I find that incredibly good for my research.